What up? How you guys doing? This is Anda from Forex Spell Changes. So this video is about this here the
Are you ready to take your trading to the next level? Look no further than mastering synthetic indices trading with a winning strategy. Synthetic indices offer a unique opportunity to trade on a variety of markets 24/7. With the right strategy, you can potentially maximize your profits and minimize your risks. So, what is the winning strategy when it comes to trading synthetic indices? It all starts with proper research and analysis. Understanding market trends and patterns is key to making informed decisions. Next, having a solid risk management plan in place is crucial. By setting stop-loss orders and sticking to your trading plan, you can protect your investments and avoid unnecessary losses. Lastly, don't forget the importance of staying disciplined and patient. Emotions can often cloud judgment, so it's essential to stay focused on your strategy and avoid impulsive decisions. By mastering synthetic indices trading with a winning strategy, you can potentially unlock new opportunities for financial success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and strategies.
Yeah, you heard him. Make sure you click the like button. Just click the like button. And let's get this video to 100 likes, guys. Let's get this video to 100 likes. So today we're doing derive, and I just saw the setup of Volatility 75. This is a very nice setup. So let's just click the like button and I'll tell you what I think. I'll tell you what I think before we even get any further. So before we even get any further, first thing you need to understand that I know that you guys have a lot of questions. Does Quasimodo works here? Yeah, it does, but it's not as great as on currencies because of the market behavior here is extremely different. It's extremely different than trading currencies. The way it behaves, it doesn't behave the same as currencies. So the winning rate is very low here on V75 and the other indices. So I'll tell you why Quasimodo doesn't work very well here. So you can see if you just looking at this, I don't want to go too far, but by just looking at this, you see this turning point. Né? This is where it decided to turn. You see, about indices, the hardest thing about indices when it comes to actually implementing strategies, because of once an index choose a position, it goes for that position forever. So you can see here it decided to move down and it have never went up again. So once it turned again, it went up, it decided to go up again. So as someone who trade Quasimodo, supply and demand, any other reverse strategies, you're gonna have a problem because you're gonna get so many opportunities, and then those opportunities won't work out because of these indices are trending indices. So you need to have a continuational pattern strategy because of these are continuational indices. Once they pick a direction, they don't change. You see here it was dropping and now it's going up. You see when it decides to go up, it go up one way. So you just need to do a follow up. So if you can check, how do you actually see here? If you see this side, okay, let me show you something very easy. You can see, okay, by just drawing this typical trend line here, you can see this was just going down for the longest time. You see, this was going down for the longest time. You see, it was going on this trend line. So after breaking this trend line, it decided to go up. Né? So this is the setup that I was seeing with you guys. This is the setup that I was seeing. So I just wanted to show you this before we even get on the setup. So you see, once this thing decides to actually pick a position, it's never reversed. You see, this was the same thing, the same theory here. It was just moving down. After breaking the trend line, it decided to go up. Né? So this is the first example after back testing. So let's see another one. There it is, another one. This was another one. After breaking the trend line, it decided to, you see, after breaking the trend line, it decided to go up again. You see? So let me show you something else. There it is again. Same story. Same story. After breaking the trend line, it decided to go up again. So intensive for now, we're just looking for the way that we can enter the wave when it decided to actually break the trend line, or the continuational pattern for us to actually continue with the stuff, because you can't trade AMA reversals. AMA reversals are gonna be very hard. As much as you can see AMA Quasimodo, they're not gonna work. You see this one was a Quasimodo, but it didn't work out because of this thing. Once it picked the position, it never changed. Yeah, so this Quasimodo didn't work out. You see the shoulder and the head, and then it reacted and then it moved up because of the trend line was literally broken at this point. You see, it was broken here, so it decided to push up until it break this Quasimodo. You see, so my Quasimodo not gonna be very strong. This one was a very nice Quasimodo, was the shoulder and the head, and then just throwing this horizontal line here, and then unani base it. So let me see what it did. So this is the horizontal line? No, this wasn't a very good horizontal line. I just misplaced. Okay, let me just change the color so we can see what's figure in that before. Okay, let's go for blue. Let's go for blue and let's make it thicker. So see, this one was a very nice Quasimodo. This one, see, does it respect the Quasimodo? Because I don't see it respecting it because of once it pick its direction, it's never changed. So you can see here it have never went to that position. Okay, it has never went to this position. Okay, you see, let me just check another Quasimodo to just clarify that it doesn't work so much great. This one it has never tested, so let me just back test. Okay, last it cannot go any further. So this one looks nice. This one already, this one. Even my opportunities, I'm Quasimodo, they are very low here. They are very low. They are very, very low. They are very low because of the market condition is different. It's very different. Yeah, sorry about that. I just have to finish something. Okay, as I was saying, guys, Quasimodo is not that powerful, even supply and demand. But okay, let me just get into the setup that I literally saw. Of this was velocity 75. Okay. Oh, okay. Let me just. Okay, so this is what I saw. Basically, this is what I saw. You can see it here. It was respecting this trend line, yeah. It was respecting this trend line. Basically, it was on a downtrend from this point to this point. It was literally on a downtrend from this point to this point. So it has broken this trend line. Basically, I'm not trading its trend line. Yeah? I see a lot of comments about people saying that I trade trend lines, but they just don't watch the entire video. They just take a bit of a snippet of a video and then they start commenting without actually watching the entire video. Trendline, I use it as another tool. Trendline do work by the way, but I use it as another confluation on my price action. Okay, so as I was saying, so you can see here it was respecting this trend line for quite some time there, and then it decided to break in this trend line. So after breaking here, it have never tested the trend line. But if you can see here, let me just go to a lower time frame. This is what I'm looking at. This zone. You see this zone? This is a nice FTP. So this was a nice support zone. So you can see it was a support and it was a resistance. This is just a swap zone. Let me explain it properly so you can hear me. You see at this point, when the price was going here, this was resistant, and resistant. So it broke in this resistance and it left this base. So it left this space. After lefting this space, it went up. So this is going to be the first time coming on this zone. This is a very significant zone of an FTP. And FTP is the same as FTR first time back, FTP first return. So it's one of the same thing. It's just the vice versa. It's a buy and a sell. So this time, since we had already know that we on an uptrend now after breaking this trend line, so what I'm expecting is price to actually come here at this zone. Let me highlight it for you. I'm not an MT5 guy. I'm not an MT5 guys. Please bear with me, okay? I don't even, you see, it doesn't even have. So at this zone, this is what I'm looking for, a buy. So I'm looking for a buy here. I don't know why it's not highlighted like MT4. What is this? So let me just highlight it like MT4. Draw. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh, right, you see it's not being an MT4. So as I was saying, guys, so what I'm expecting here, without wasting your time struggling with MT5. So what I'm expecting here, since the price has decided to broke this trend line, I'm expecting a buy somewhere here. So I'm expecting it to buy and then decide to shoot up again. So this setup is a very nice setup. This is a very nice setup to go up. So in terms of take profit, this is the highest high, but this is very far. You can take it somewhere here. This would be nice because you can see it's gonna create something like a head and shoulder. This is a shoulder and then this is a head. So this is gonna be your left shoulder. So I'm expecting the price to actually break this trend line. It's already breaking this trend line, so it's retesting here. So I'm just looking for a buy here. This is a very nice setup for a buy. So if you like this video, make sure you like the video and you comment below and tell me where to improve and what do you think of the analysis, and just tell me your thoughts, man. I'll appreciate it, and I'm willing to take criticism. So bye for now.